voters could be heading back to the polls to settle the fight over District 4 of the Honolulu City Council.
Tommy Waters, you may recall, lost to Trevor Ozawa by a mere 22 votes in the general election. But now, Waters is urging the Hawaii Supreme Court to invalidate hundreds of ballots.
Bridget Namata joins us to explain these new developments. Bridget.
Marissa Dash, Trevor Ozawa has already moved into the council's chair's office, even though he's not officially a councilman. District 4, which runs from Hawaii Kai to Ala Moana, will be without a council member until this challenge is resolved. And neither Ozawa or Waters are budging. Tommy Waters is smiling.
It's great that the Supreme Court is now asking the same questions that I have. That's why I'm smiling. I mean, this is just such great news.
The attorney and former state representative narrowly lost to Trevor Ozawa by 22 votes in November's general election. He's heading to the Supreme Court next Tuesday for oral arguments over the results. He sees this as a glimmer of hope.
Win or lose, whether I win or lose this election, you know, it's going to make the process better and I think more fair.
Called into question are 350 mail-in ballots. Waters says those ballots should have been in the hands of the city clerk by 6 p.m. on election night. Instead, the ballots were still at the post office.
How the chief clerk can assure that the ballots were received by the clerk before the close of polls. That's what the law requires. What happens next? Do you throw out those 350 ballots or do you accept them?
This election challenge has put a wrench in the Honolulu City Council.
Councilmember Ozawa's district is not represented, and the charter calls for 9 members. So, yeah, this is all very temporary. I don't think it's ever happened before. So we're going to have to really come together because there's so many things we have to work on. The monster homes and the short-term rentals, the rail is a big problem. The bus fare increase. There's so many things we have to start working on.
Councilman Trevor Ozawa sent over a statement writing, "The written record submitted to the Hawaii Supreme Court establishes all votes properly cast were counted and the people of District 4 elected their council member. I look forward to participating in the argument next week and moving forward with my continued service as council member for District 4. Waters says the 350 ballots should be invalidated and the final printout should be tossed out. If not, he says there should be a new election to determine the winner of District 4. Again, the Supreme Court will hear arguments on Tuesday. We'll be there and we'll keep you posted. Dash.